Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to delete your LinkedIn account on your iPhones. Really easy and simple to do. All you have to do is head over to the LinkedIn application, open the application up, and once you're on the application you can go to the top left where you see the little person and the three lines. And you want to click on that, and then once you're on here right under your name where you see view profile and settings, you want to click on the settings option. And then once that loads in, you want to remain under the account tab and you want to scroll all the way down until you see close account. So you want to click on close account, and we'll just give it a second to load. And it just lets you know that they're sorry to see you go, and you want to confirm that you want to close your account. If so, you want to click on continue. And then here it's just asking you why you want to close your account. So you're welcome to pick any option you want, or you can just click on other. So I'm going to click on other. And then it just wants you to tell the reason. So you say want to close, and then just click on next. And then you just need to type in your password in to confirm the account closure. Once that's done, you can click on done, and it just lets you know here that it's closed your account. So now you're all good. I hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.